The year is 2037. You have already watched and thoroughly enjoyed this video on how much you should spend on your website. Because of everything you learned about what you should expect from web design development, your website has a ton of popular features that keep people clicking. In fact, people like your site so much, they contact you and then they give you their money. In this video, I'm going to help turn that story into your reality. You'll come away from this with an estimate of how much a good website will cost for your business and what you're paying for when you hire someone to create and manage a site for you. Let's get started. So the cost of a website can be broken into a few different categories, mainly web design development, website maintenance, and web marketing. Web design not only includes the look and feel of your site, but also things like how it works on different devices, your domain name, the security package, and other elements that help your site function well. Initial web design development will likely cost you between $12,000 and $150,000. This, of course, varies depending on what you need. So a medium-sized website with up to 75 pages can cost $10,000 to $35,000, while an e-commerce website with 100 to 1,000 products may require an investment of $5,000 to $55,000. These are typically one-time investments since they're meant to get your site off the ground. Web maintenance and marketing will bring that recurring cost to your budget. If we're talking web maintenance, that cost again will vary depending on what you need. But businesses will often spend an average of $400 to $60,000 per year maintaining their website. It's about $35 to approximately $5,000 every month. Recurring charges may include your domain name, your site security certificate, any e-commerce functionality, and the time it takes a developer to work on your website. Now, the other recurring cost, web marketing, may not seem completely necessary, but I assure you it's critical to your business's success. Once you have a well-functioning website, you need to draw people to it. Web marketing includes services like search engine optimization, or SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, and content marketing. The goal of most digital marketing strategies is to bring people to your website and turn them into your customers. So if you skimp on web design or your site isn't maintained properly, you may lose out on a lot of revenue for your business. Everything works together. While you don't necessarily need to invest in every area of web marketing, businesses spend an average of $2,500 to $12,000 per month, making sure people can find the website they've poured so much time and effort into. If you only want to optimize your site for search engines, which is especially important, you may pay just $750 to $2,000 every month. PPC advertising may add an additional cost between $9,000 and $10,000 per month. In the end, if your digital strategy is working well, you'll see a positive return on your website investment. And that's how much you can expect to pay for your business's website. If you're looking for a team of experienced web designers, developers, and marketers, we have all of that at WebFX. Give us a call at 888-601-5359 or contact us through our website to learn how we can help your business grow.